everybody, Mike Wolf from Mike Wolf Mastery. Today coming to you from the second smallest country in the world, and that's Monaco. And I'm in Monte Carlo right now. And if you've never been here, this place is just like loaded with yachts. This is a playground really for the rich and the famous, and lots of luxury vehicles traveling around, and just an absolutely beautiful place. But one of the reasons why rich people like to come here isn't just because it's beautiful, it's also a tax haven. And so I just want to make a disclaimer, I'm not an accountant, I'm not a lawyer, but this is really an invitation to give you some general ideas that you might want to discuss with your accountant or lawyer. And one of the things I like to do is I like to watch what the rich people, the wealthy people are doing, and how not only how do they get that way, but how do they keep their wealth. Because a lot of people are good at making money, but they can't hold on to it. They burn through it. And so what you want to do is you want to follow some of the richest people on this planet, see what they're doing, and emulate it. You don't have to be able to hire the brightest and the best legal team, the brightest and the best accountants. Just see what they're doing and emulate it. And so if we look at Warren Buffett, for example, he openly admits that he pays less tax as a percentage than his assistant does. And I don't know how much his assistant makes, but I know he's a billionaire, and I'm guessing that his assistant is not. And one of the things that he does, he didn't really make his money in real estate, but his accountants tell him to buy lots of real estate so he can bring down his taxable income from his other businesses, so he can pay less tax and keep more of what he makes. And so what I recommend is, once again, emulating what you see other people doing that are maybe in the position you want to be in. And once again, you don't necessarily have to have the most expensive accounting team. You don't necessarily have to come here and relocate to Monaco to lower your tax bill. This is stuff you can do while you're at home. You can buy properties, buy rental properties, hold on to them, and depreciate each year against your taxable income. So if you found this helpful, please make sure you share this with your friends that might benefit from it. Please like this video. And also, if you want to learn more about passive income and how you can get in the real estate game without being a real estate expert, click the link below and get my passive income masterclass, where I'm going to talk about how you can get started right now and have me and my teams help you to do that. So once again, I'm Mike Wolf. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you soon.